What if I told you that your brain has the ability to nudge reality itself, not by brute force, but by biasing the probabilities that shape the future? At the quantum level, reality is not fixed. Particles exist in superposition, many possible states at once, until interaction forces one outcome to emerge. This is known as the collapse of the wave function. The question is, what determines which outcome appears? Physics shows that observation plays a role. Interpretations supported by thinkers like Henry Stapp propose that consciousness and intention may influence how possibilities become reality. This idea is not just theoretical. Experiments over decades have tested whether human intention can bias quantum random number generators, ERNGs. Results have shown small but consistent effects, difficult to dismiss and suggestive of a deeper connection between mind and matter. Meanwhile, research in quantum biology explores whether brain structures like microtubules could sustain quantum coherence long enough to bridge thought and physics. Even if the influence begins at the tiniest scale, its strength lies in amplification. Intention directs attention. Attention reshapes the brain through neuroplasticity, and these changes alter your physiology, choices, and behavior. Over time, behavior feeds into environment, creating new patterns of outcome. The path is clear. Thought influences attention. Attention shapes action, and action sculpts reality. Add the possibility of a quantum contribution, and intention becomes more than psychology. It becomes a mechanism that aligns you with higher probability outcomes. This is why people who practice focused intention consistently report more synchronicity, clarity, and success. Their inner alignment guides both their brain and, potentially, the very field of possibilities itself. Intention doesn't need to magically override the laws of physics. It works within them. At the smallest scales, reality is open-ended. At the human scale, your nervous system translates focus into changes in neural firing, hormone balance, and decision-making. Together, these effects magnify until intention transforms into visible results. Whether through direct quantum influence or the indirect but proven pathways of psychology and biology, intention consistently guides outcomes. So the power of intention is not random chance. It is the natural result of physics, biology, and focus working together. When you hold an intention with clarity and alignment, you're not merely hoping for change. You're actively participating in the process that makes one version of reality emerge over another. The question is no longer if intention works, but how intentionally you will use it to shape the outcomes ahead of you.